Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So in general, our trading plan that we have prepared on Thursday is done well. So market hasn't quite reached the 5250 area that we have supposed, but an area around 53 has been touched, and actually I suppose that just daily oversold has become the barrier that has prevented the touching of the level that we have specified. In general, performance on the Bitcoin currently looks really bearish, and it's more interesting is that, as we already have mentioned this, that market actually is going against the major tendency. If you take a look at the other markets, stock market, Forex, bonds, gold, everywhere you could see the fruits of the diverse statement from the Jerome Powell, and all dollar rivals are rising, except the Bitcoin. And there is no agreement actually between the analysts and economists who suggest actually different reasons for that. One group tells that it might be some result of the MC Cox repayment of the frozen Bitcoin in the moment of the collapse of the exchange. Now they're flowing back on the market, which create additional supply, which pressing prices down. At the same time, others tells that the interest to the ETFs is dropping gradually because we do not have any new inflows on the ETFs, which is suggests that some really concern is rising about the perspective of the Bitcoin, increasing some bearish sentiment on the market and so on. But both of these things we have discussed in our recent fundamental report on the Bitcoin that we have prepared, where we provided the statistics of the flows to the ETFs and talked about this subject. Whatever it is, you can see that the performance is really bearish. And currently, from the long-term perspective, I mean, on longer-term charts, this is monthly chart on the Bitcoin, price is coming to a very important area. And this is not because of the pivot resistance one that has been broken, but this is about the flag consolidation. As I already explained last time, once market stands on the tight consolidation near the top, this is bullish sign because market is building an energy and make the consolidation without any big drop out of the top, suggesting that it's preparing for a challenge. And quite different story if market is dropping out of this consolidation, where market is trying to do right now. And here it will be a very important moment that when you have to keep an eye on. So if on the lower time frames, within the 1-2 weeks maybe, we will see that here is a fake downside breakout. So market, for instance, will challenge the support line and then return right back up again, preferably on some significant up protection. This will be clearly bullish sign, suggesting that price could try to challenge the new top, set the new top. And quite different story if market will just drop out of this consolidation below this support and remains there. It will be bearish, and it's suggesting that downside action could continue. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we could see that market has moved slightly lower, mostly is trying to test the 52, 51, 50 confidence support in the weekly chart. In general, price stands in an area where chances on the pullback significantly increasing. Why? Just because this is nearer standing confidence on the weekly, should provide some support this market, although it's not that they were sold on the weekly chart, but this is a strong level and the pullback here seems reasonable. Second, if you take a look on the daily chart, market stands at the OP target. This is another reason why market hasn't moved slightly lower, just because this is major OP target of the top on the daily chart, which is 54.50 approximately, and market stands on the daily oversold. So an area between 52 and where market stands right here, so weekly confidence, daily oversold, OP target and trend line support is actually what we need to keep an eye on, as I explained in the monthly chart. create the background for a possible bounce. As a target of this bounce, initially I would consider 60 even area, because this is confidence support on a daily chart. That might be interesting, and see what will happen. In a way, how market theoretically started this pullback, we should not invent something new, because if previously market has formed nicely looking ABCD, why can't form it once again? Especially if you could see this ABCD will be formed. The target stands precisely at 59.20, which is actually near the 60 resistance level, creating an agreement with this resistance. And take a look, that will be retesting of the previous lows. So very nice area to watch for. Alternatively, I will not be surprised if market will form different reversal, potential reversal pattern, with trying to test first of the weekly support. This scenario seems a bit less probable if, of course, we will not get something new, bearish signs externally on the Bitcoin market. From the technical point of view, this scenario is less probable, just because market already has completed the OP target. I would suggest the butterfly if, for instance, OP was slightly lower, below the market, and market was standing on some just support area. But since the major OP has been reached, and this is also strong support, well, I think that's probably direct up rejection now seems more probable, but we will see. For us, actually, this is not really big deal. It's just because we are watching for a chance to go short. We have the bearish context on the Bitcoin. So whether it will be ABCD or it will be butterfly, which a reversal will start later, might be formed some kind of the hand and shoulders or something, we're not care about, because we do not trade it on the long side. If you would like to trade on the long side, yes, this might be some problem. So because you will have to decide in what pattern you would like to take the position. That's actually all that I would like to say about the Bitcoin. The only thing that probably I should mention here is next downside target. So since we have the OP, it's great downside acceleration to the OP, which is also bearish. You can see that XOP will be around 44, and this is 44. If you take a look on the weekly chart, it's right there, which is actually perfect target of the 44 right here. Perfect target of the double ripple pattern on the weekly chart. So that's another thing that to watch for. That being said, context is bearish, but market right now stands at the support. In the current circumstances, we do not consider taking new short position, at least on the higher time frames, on daily, on the weekly chart. On lower time frames, if you will see bearish signs, for instance, dealing with this butterfly, you could try to take scalp short position, suggesting that market will show some downside extension. But this is very small tactical trading. It has no relation to our major plan. So on the major plan, we do not consider taking new shorts by far, although context remains bearish. We are watching for a bounce to get the rally to sell. That's the major idea. For scalp traders, if you trade on lower time frames, yes, you could consider taking the long position, but as I said, it will be some headache to you what pattern to choose. It's because either the ABCD, in this case, you have to buy right here, placing stop either below the A or slightly below the C, and watch what will happen. Or trying to catch this butterfly if you will see signs, but unfortunately you will see starting of the butterfly already when probably it will be it already will start. So if you take the long position, you will have to wait for when the butterfly will be completed to take the long position. If no butterfly will be, then you will miss the chance to go with this ABCD pattern. So that's the major problem of the choice that you have to make if you would like to take the long position. So that towards what we have. Let's keep watching.